recording. This week in my video you will see that I have not one, not two, but three amazing projects on the go. First one is the completion of a large mural for my Jiu-Jitsu Academy. The second one is a collaboration with another painter, a Torquay local artist who approached me. His work is incredible. I'm very excited. And the third one is a collaboration with a steel signwriter from Melbourne, who is also an artist, and we're going to be merging my floral paintings and female paintings with his steel technology. He's the only person in Australia who is using this technology, and it's pretty exciting and pretty funky. Hope you enjoy the video.
Well, what a week it's been. I am extremely grateful for the opportunities that are presenting themselves to me at the moment. I will be continuing on with all three of my current projects in the coming week, and I'm very excited by the way things are progressing. Life's good. I had a fantastic meeting with Nathan earlier today. A great discussion as to how our collaboration is going to look, and it was very interesting to hear some of his life stories and his insights into being an artist. So yeah, truly thankful for that, and very excited for what we produce together in the coming week. Nathan very kindly gifted me one of his art prints on wood. Just beautiful work. His brushwork is it's almost like a surgeon's hands. It's so powerful. This is a print, and I did say to him that it's like, you know, a much better quality version of my wagtail, you know, as one can clearly see. But you know, they're both beautiful in their own right. So thank you for watching once again. Next week we'll be probably looking at finalising the mural at the Jiu-Jitsu Academy, commencing the new painting, and continuing on with the metal work. So I'm hoping that I can get the artist Neil Lyons in to get a photo, have a conversation with him. He's been here several times in my studio, and we've had some fantastic conversations as well. I'm just enjoying meeting fellow artists, and I do have some very close personal friends who are artists. John Ives in the UK, Brett Ferry in Melbourne, and you know, it's funny that birds of a feather do flock together. And you know, now I'm meeting new artists for collaborations, and I'm sure I'll become, you know, lifelong friends with them as well. So thank you for watching. Yeah, the excitement continues. Thank you.